Here are three statistical functions you should start using in your Excel spreadsheet: count, count A, and count blank. The count function counts how many cells contain numbers, equals count. I'll go ahead and count this range, A6 through A13. I can count several ranges, but I'll go ahead and just choose this one. Close it out, push enter, 8. Count A counts how many cells are not empty. In other words, this will count cells with text, numbers, error dates, etc. And I can choose several values to count, or I can choose a range. So I'll choose B6 through B13. Close it out, 8. Count blanks counts how many cells are blank. Tab it in, I'll choose C6 through C13. How many cells are blank? 3. And here you have the count, count A, and count blank statistical functions.